What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we just picked up a new build of Polaris RZR 800 4-seater limited edition with power steering, and it has a blown transmission, so it does have a lot of aftermarket parts like all these lights, and the transmission has a hole in it, so we're gonna have to get to work. It does run, but this intro is being recorded after all the work is done. Everything is taken apart right now. There is a cold start coming soon. But let's do a quick montage of how it looked, how dirty it was. Now it's 10 times cleaner. But I'm going to roll the footage of all the work I did to it. And we're probably going to go ahead and buy a new transmission so we can get it put in and have a lot of fun on this thing. Alright guys, so I got it cleaned up. Now let's get the bed off and do some further inspection of the engine and transmission. Alright guys, so we got the bed off, and this is a filthy little animal. So we're gonna get it washed, and then we're gonna start to give y'all a cold start since we haven't yet, and then we're gonna take the transmission out, inspect it, and then probably finish off the video there. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so it's not the cleanest, but 10 times cleaner than what it was. Everything was caked on with mud. It's clean enough to get it into the shop and worked on. There was like 3 inches of mud on the floorboard, but let's give it a cold start because we still haven't started it, so let's start her up. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna get to work and pull the drive shaft and stuff off so I can get the transmission out. Alright guys, so I got the air box off, and there's where it's damaged right there. Look at how bad that is. A full crack along there, and goes like that, and a pretty big hole. Not too big, but we'll need at least the casing, and it's probably a few years. But next, let's move on and take this belt cover off and the clutch pulley, and then after that we could probably dig into it deeper and see what's next. Alright guys, so check that out. I got it pulled off camera, and I got the bar above the seat pulled out, and I can't get this clutch off. I need a puller, so I'm gonna wait for one. I'm gonna order one, but I'm gonna try pulling the transmission out without one. It looks like it'll still come out if I just move that plastic piece to the side a bit. But let's get to work, remove probably this down here first, and then we could move to under the RZR. Alright guys, so I got the transmission cable pulled off. So now I'm going to move on, take this sway bar linkage out. So it'll be easy access to get the transmission out. Alright guys, there we go. We got the sway bar out of there. There we go. Now there's so much more room right there. Got a few more bolts here and there. So next I'm probably gonna unscrew these 3 bolts down there so we can move to the bottom. Alright guys, now let's get it lifted up. Alright guys, I got it lifted up, so now I'm going to get this drive shaft right here removed all the way across. It's really loose, I don't think it's supposed to be like that, but I'm going to remove these bolts up here and this little bracket, and it should come right out. Alright guys, so we got the drive shaft out right there, and now let's move on to the transmission. Get those 2 bolts out right there. There's 2 mounting bolts out right there. It should come out after we do that, and take those bolts out from there. So let's get to work, do that, and we should have the transmission out any time now. Alright guys, so I got the bottom bolts unscrewed down here, right here, from the transmission to the differential. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move to the top, unscrew the bolts at the top, and then we can pull the transmission out. Alright guys, so I got this piece off right there from over there. I did it off camera. It was kind of hard to get to. And now we got a couple bolts left right down there, and it should come out. Alright guys, so I didn't record this, but I got all the suspension to the side so I could pull the diff out, so it could come off the spline on the transmission down there, right there. And now I'm gonna pull the diff out and transmission. So alright guys, so check that out. I finally got the transmission pulled out, and there's the crack. It goes all the way up right there, and all the way down the side right there. Check out this shaft. It's not good, and that goes to the diff, so we're gonna pull the diff out all the way and inspect it. But it's probably gonna need a new transmission. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna get this diff pulled out. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get the exhaust pulled off, and then the diff should come out from the side and top. Alright guys, so we got everything the suspension reassembled. We're gonna wait on a new trans so we can put everything back together, and probably give it another wash like this, or air all this dirt off, and then it'll be good to go. All right, guys, so we're gonna finish off the build there. We did get a lot of work to this thing, and it's gonna be ripping real soon here. I've already got a transmission on order because the other one is very bad, but we got all taken apart, so it's ready to be put back together. And make sure y'all stay tuned for that. After we get it put together, we're probably gonna take it to Durhamtown and rip it on those trails, so stay tuned for that. And if y'all enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to like and comment on this video, and let me know what build y'all want to see next.